back on my bed. I never said you could get off.
Never.
Then you can get out of my room and you cannot be a special guest in my video. Oh my gosh, I was recording that. You know what? I'm not even gonna bother to edit that out. I'm just gonna keep it in there because yes. So today we're doing an unboxing video of a Skymarks Lufthansa Airbus A380. So here it is. It's beautiful and it's big. Warning, choking hazard. Small parts, not for children under 3 years.
No small part.
Yes, there is. There's something called an engine.
I don't think anyone would be able to swallow that.
That's
whole
why
engine.
it's called a choking hazard. Because they would try to eat it and then they would choke and die.
I don't think it would even make it through like one.
Yes,
tiny
I know.
bit.
That's why it's a choking hazard because it would not go down and you would choke and
Wait,
die.
can I show them my laugh?
Okay, you know what? Fine. This is actually pretty funny. This man needs get my little brother some medical attention. Okay, you stop. I swear, if you
Can I show them the Apple Watch?
no. I know you just got it and all, but you're excited. Okay, you know what? Fine, get it in the camera. Yeah, this is his Apple Watch. So there you go. Take it.
And this is me trophy.
No, this is mine. This is my trophy. I got first place at a little RC car race thingy. Okay, please stop touching the stuff on my desk.
Wait,
Stop! There's actual stuff in there. Please stop. There's actual chocolate in there. Please stop.
I want chocolate.
Okay, well, stop touching my stuff and maybe you'll get rewarded.
Yay!
Okay, put it down. Put that down. Put it down and go chill on my bed. I'm sorry, I'm not including the actual plane in the video. I'm not including the actual aeroplane in the video. So I should do that, shouldn't I? Alright. Got this on.
Should we watch it? Try not to
Got
laugh
this
video?
on. After I'm done with this. Alright, everybody. And there you have it.
Boys, drink that blood. Come on, Jeff. Get him!
I'm literally in the middle of a freaking outro. Shut the hell up. Okay, so that's the Skymarks Lufthansa A380-800. Lufthansa, baby. German Airlines. Deutschland, Deutschland, über alles.
Do a
Okay,
butter
whatever.
landing.
Fine, for the memes. I don't know about memes, but okay. Butter. Yeah, okay, whatever. Anyway, thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you tomorrow, and as always, good night.